Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another TheRideTV vlog. I know it's been a few weeks. I had a couple of things. I had to get some parts for my bike. It took a little while, and then I moved into a new spot, so that kind of took up some time. But we're back. We're at Track or Die today. We're gonna work on the bike some more. Maybe we're gonna finish up today. So let's get in there and get working and see what's good with Steve and Corey. What's up, Steve?
What's up?
How you been?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Finally get those tubes in. Took a little while. Bike's still torn apart pretty good. Brakes are off. Looks like there's a new tire on there. That's dope.
So we got this tree back from Powder Coat, and it's the wrong gear because it has a pin style one, and this needs to be that style. And if you look under here, you can see the key, how it kind of latches when you turn it. It goes into this groove and grabs it when you turn all the way lock left, so you can lock it up. So we're gonna swap these out. So with it all the way turned to the left, this is where it needs to be. So when you press it in, this flat needs to be in line with the stop on this side for it to be right. Let's try it out. Oh, excuse me.
Those Oleans are blinding me.
First key.
Alright,
Good look at your bike, dude.
It's the performance sort of thing, so purple hasn't really been done on these sort of things yet, and you know, it's kind of my beater for the day. Then I have this thing.
So what's done to it?
Just has a nice paint job.
That's it?
Yeah, some fancy forks, pipe. I'm just kidding. So it has the crouch front end, some Tokikos, Galfa rotors, Gen 2 Brothers bike. We added some stuff. This is the kit from Big Homie Customs, the Street Cred kit, and it's pretty much 4 speakers, 2 amps, and then I added this little entertainment system right here. Also has touchscreen navigation. This is the Big Owl risers. This bike was just updated a little bit more than what it was, so I dumped it, low-sided it. Didn't want to look at it the same way, so I just kind of changed up the paint, small little minor accents, you know, with the gold leaf. Obviously updated the front end and things like that. Working out pretty good. Still working out some glitches, but should be up and around soon.
All right, what are we doing?
we're gonna put some risers on. Some rad hard case risers.
What do we got over here?
Some motherfucking brake rebuilds, bro. For stopping. Woo wee! Shit's gonna stop now.
What are we doing right now, Steve?
Rebuilding your brakes.
Why?
Well, when I took it apart, it had, you know, I don't think silly putty's supposed to be inside your brake, but that's basically what was inside of it. It was really gross.
Interesting.
So cleaned it out, new pistons. Here's your old ones. They're real gross. So we got brand new pistons, brand new everything. New rebuild on the master cylinder, so you should be stopping real well now.
All right, so that's gonna do it for us today over at Track or Die. We still probably have another day or half a day or so to work on the bike, but it's getting late. We're gonna wrap it up for the weekend. It's Friday night, so we'll be back here on Monday. I wanna say thank you to Steve and Corey at Track or Die as always. I wanna say thank you to Hard Case Performance, Bun King, Lindell, Speed King Cycles, and everybody else involved helped me out on this rebuild. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like this video for me. Thank you guys.